Good morning, children. Welcome back after summer vacation. I hope you all have purchased your books. Now, let us start maths work. We will do mixed exercise number 2 of chapter number 3, which is on page number 33 of your maths book. We already have done sum number first, second, third, fifth, and today we will solve sum number 4th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Let us do sum number 4th. Subtract the following. If you have books, then there is no need to solve sum number 4 in your notebooks. You can solve सम नंबर 4 डायरेक्टली ऑन योर बुक्स कि अगर आपके पास बुक्स हैं तो सम नंबर 4 को डायरेक्टली बुक्स पे ही सॉल्व करिए, अदरवाइज आपको नोटबुक पे करना पड़ेगा. सम नंबर 4 is mentioned in your book on page number 33. First of all, mention date here, then solve sum number 4 in your book. Part A of sum number 4 is 6929 minus 5118. So, first of all, its places are shown: ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First step is to subtract numbers under ones place. जो ones place के अंदर numbers हैं उनको आपने subtract करना है. Subtract 8 from 9. 9 में से 8 subtract करना है. We will have 1 ones and subtract 1 from 2. 2 में से 1 minus 1. It is under tens place. So 1 10. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. It is under hundreds place. So it is 800. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So we have 1811. Right? Next, part number C. We have 5-digit numbers. We will subtract it as stepwise. 9 minus 1 8 means 8 ones. 1 minus 1 0 tens. 2 minus 1 100. 3 minus 1 2000. 6 minus 5 means 1 10,000. Right? So we have 12,108. Right? Now part B. We have 4-digit numbers: 9,211, 7,999. So we will subtract it as, subtract 9 from 1. 9 को 1 में से subtract करना है. It is not possible. So we will borrow 110 from 110s. Borrow करेंगे तो it will become 11 ones. 10 ones plus 1 ones. 11 ones. 11 minus 9 2. And here we have 0 10. 0 में से 9 subtract करना, it is not possible. So we will borrow 100 from 200s. It will become 10 tens. 100 में कितने tens होते हैं? 10 tens. So 10 tens minus 9 tens is equal to 110. Now we have 1. It is also not possible to subtract 9 from 1. So we will borrow 1000 from 9000. 1000 में कितने 100 होते हैं? 10. So it will become 10 plus 1 1100. 11 minus 9 2. Here we have 8,000. 8 minus 7, 1. So 9,211 minus 7,999 is equal to 1,212, right? Next, part D, we have 5-digit numbers. 90,000 minus 43,298. So let us solve. Here we have 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we will carry from 10,000. Here we have 10. 10 ones minus 8 ones. 2 ones. Here we have 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Here we also have 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. And at last we have 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. We have 46,702, which is our answer. Next we have word problems. Sum number 6th. Statement is, if a boy had rupees 36,000 and he spent rupees 14,616 on a restaurant and rupees 10,000 on the transportation, how much money is left with him? Statement is, बॉय के पास 36,000 मनी है और उसने स्पेंड की इतनी अमाउंट 14,616 रेस्टोरेंट पे, 10,000 ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पे. हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट विद हिम? उसके पास कितनी मनी बची? व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल ऐड दीज टू अमाउंट फर्स्टली, देन we will subtract sum of these numbers from total money. Let us see. Sum number 6 can be solved as total money is equal to rupees 36,000. Money spent on restaurant is equal to rupees 14,616 and money spent on transportation is equal to 10,000. जो भी मनी स्पेंड की है ऑन टू आइटम्स, वी विल ऐड दीज टू नंबर्स. हम इन दो नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे बिकॉज टोटल मनी में से उसने कुछ मनी रेस्टोरेंट पे स्पेंड की और कुछ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पे. सो वी विल ऐड दीज टू नंबर्स. लेट अस सॉल्व. 6 प्लस 0 6, 1 plus 0 1, 6 plus 0 6, 4 plus 0 4, 1 plus 1 2. So money spent, total money spent. Now second step is total money 36,000, spent money 24,616, left money. Left means subtraction. So we will subtract this amount from total money. Total money से हम ये वाली amount को subtract करेंगे. Let us do. First of all, we should know its places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So it is not possible to subtract 6 from 0. So we will borrow 1,000 from 6,000. So it will become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And here we have 9. 9 minus 1, 8. And here we have 9 again. 9 minus 6, 3. And here we have 5,000. 5 minus 4, 1. And subtract 2 from 3. 3 में से 2 minus करना 1. So left money 11,384. So rupees 11,384 money is left with him. Clear? First of all, we will add these two numbers which he had spent upon these two items. Then we will subtract this amount from the total money. We will get the left amount, right? Next we have sum number 7. Statement is, in an orchard there are 41,326 apples and 14,321 bananas. How many fruits are there in total? ऑर्चर्ड में 46,326 एप्पल्स हैं, 14,321 बनानाज हैं. तो टोटल फ्रूट्स हमने कैलकुलेट करना है. वी विल ऐड बोथ दीज टर्म्स एज वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट टोटल फ्रूट्स. Let us start. Sum number 7th is number of apples in an orchard 41,326. Number of bananas 14,321. Total number of fruits. We will add both these numbers, but we have to know its places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, 1 plus 4 5, 4 plus 1 5. So there are 55,647 fruits in total, right? In total. Next, sum number 8. Statement is, a man earns rupees 58,938. He spends means खर्च कर रहा है, rupees 21,161 on food and rent and 11,321 on extra affair. How much money does he save? स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि एक मैन की अर्निंग है, इतनी अर्न कर लेता है, वो अमाउंट इतनी इनकम अर्न कर लेता है 58,938, और इसमें से वो फूड और रेंट पे स्पेंड कर रहा है 21,161 एंड एक्स्ट्रा फेयर पे 11,321. तो उसके पास क्या, उसने कितनी अमाउंट वो सेव करता है. ये टोटल अमाउंट है और इसमें से दो आइटम्स पे स्पेंड कर रहा है इतनी और इतनी अमाउंट. इन दोनों को आप ऐड करोगे और इसमें से सबट्रैक्ट करोगे, वो अमाउंट आ जाएगी जो वो सेव करता है. सम नंबर 8 इज टोटल अर्निंग ऑफ अ मैन. कितनी अमाउंट अर्न कर रहा है 58,938. मनी स्पेंट ऑन फूड एंड रेंट रुपीज 21,161. मनी स्पेंट ऑन एक्स्ट्रा फेयर 11,321. वी विल सॉल्व दिस सम इन अनदर वे. हम इस सम को किसी और मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं. Step 1 and step 2 में. Step 1 is, first of all we will add both items. Both item is food and rent and extra fare. इन दो आइटम्स को ऐड करेंगे और टोटल अमाउंट में से माइनस करेंगे. It is same as sum number 6. So first step is 21,161 plus 11,321. Show its places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So we will add terms under its places. 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So it is amount spent. Money spent on these two items 32,482. Next, second step is total amount. Total earning of a man is 58,938 and money spent on two items 32,482. show its places. 1000 and 10,000. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 2, 6. 3 minus 8 is not possible, so we will borrow 100 from 900. 100 में 10 tens. 10 plus 3, 13 tens. 13 minus 8, 5. Then we have 800. 8 minus 4, 4. 8,000 minus 2,000, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. It becomes 26,456. So he saves rupees 26,456 money. Right? Now, next we have lab activity. On page number 34, you have lab activity at the end of chapter number 3. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 sums. Its objective is to understand addition of large numbers and subtraction of large numbers. Material required: a sheet of paper and pen, means solve these sums in your book. Procedure: write the missing numbers in the following. जो बॉक्स हैं ये नंबर मिसिंग है, हमने ये नंबर सॉल्व करने हैं. वी हैव 3 sums of addition and 1 is of subtraction. Solve these sums in your book if you have. Otherwise, solve these sums in your notebook. Let us do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit numbers. 2 6-digit numbers. And there is addition sign. Boxes means some numbers are missed here. So we will find out these numbers. How to solve this sum? Let us do. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Box में 5 नंबर है. Then 5 plus dash is equal to 8. 5 में कितना प्लस करोगे कि 8 के इक्वल आ जाए? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then dash plus 9 is equal to 9. 9 में क्या प्लस करोगे कि 9 आए? 0. Right? Then 9 plus 0 is 9 again. Then 3 plus dash is equal to 5. 3 में कितना प्लस करोगे कि 5 आए? 2. Then dash plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 में कितना ऐड करोगे? 3 आए? 2. So missing numbers are 2, 0, 2, 3, 9, 5. Right? Next sum number 4. Sum number 2 and 3 do yourself. Sum number 4. It is sum of subtraction. It is a sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. Now, last sum is of addition and this sum is of subtraction. Note this point. Now, 5 minus dash is equal to 1. 5 में कितना माइनस करोगे के 1 आए? 5 minus 4. Right? 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Dash minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then 4 minus dash is equal to 9. 4 में से कितना माइनस करोगे कि 9 है? It is not possible. So we will borrow one number from 9. 9 में से 1 borrow करोगे तो 14. 14 में से कितने माइनस करोगे कि 9 आए? 14 minus dash is equal to 9. 14 में कितने माइनस करोगे कि 9 आए? 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Now we have number 8 here. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Dash minus 9 is equal to 9. मीन्स किस नंबर में 9 माइनस करो कि 9 आए। 18 में से 18 तो हम लिख नहीं सकते, तो 18 का 8 लिखेंगे। 8 18 माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 9। अगर हम यहाँ 18 में से 9 माइनस किया तो 9 आया, तो लेकिन यहाँ से हमने बोरो भी किया था, सो यहाँ बना 4। 4 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 1, राइट। यू कैन ऑल्सो शो its places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, right? Now missed numbers are 8, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, right? Solve sum number 4 and lab activity in your books, and sum number 6, 7 and 8 in your notebooks. Before solving these sums in your notebooks, first of all understand these sums, only then note it down in your notebooks. Thank you.